On this channel, I'll be teaching you the most easiest way, most fun way for you to learn Mandarin Chinese. Yeah, now, let's start learning. Buckle up.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, I will continue teaching you about the weather. Snow is called shui. Fog is called wu. Wind is called feng. Mist is called bo. Storm is called bao feng yu. Now, let's review the words again. Shui, wu, feng, bo, wu, bao, feng, yu. This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment, and also to click the subscribe and notification button. See you next time. Goodbye.